COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS coronavirus 2 virus, which can cause high fever, cough, loss of smell and taste, difficulty breathing, pneumonia, multiple organ failure, and death. Viruses are made of genetic material that is enclosed in a shell and covered by an envelope of viral proteins. Viruses cannot make copies of themselves unless they infect living cells. The COVID-19 virus is released from infected people and enters the nose and mouth of other people to infect them. The COVID-19 virus has unique crown-like spike proteins on its surface that help the virus stick to the surface of human cells and fuse with it. The virus inserts its genetic material called RNA into the cell. RNA carries all the genetic information to make viral proteins. The virus hijacks machinery in our cells called ribosomes to convert the RNA into viral proteins. One of these proteins makes copies of the RNA genetic information, which is packaged into viral proteins to produce new viruses that bud off the infected cells and enter uninfected cells in the body to spread the infection. The infection can also spread from person to person as the virus is released in droplets in coughs and sneezes. Research groups around the world have developed vaccines against COVID-19. These vaccines expose our immune system to parts of the virus which trigger immune responses, including making cells and antibodies to specifically destroy the virus. Some vaccines are made of the whole virus that has been inactivated and therefore cannot cause the deadly COVID-19 infection, but rather induces a milder immune response. Our immune system memorizes these responses against the vaccines so that if the actual COVID-19 infection occurs, we can readily mount an immune response against the active virus. Other vaccines are based on packaging the genetic information that makes the COVID-19 spike protein into tiny particles. Upon injection, these particles release the genetic information into our cells, where it is converted into the spike protein, which activates the immune system. Since the approval of vaccines for COVID-19, millions of people have been safely vaccinated. Data shows that the vaccines are safe and effective at preventing serious disease or death due to COVID-19.